everyone, welcome back to Python's AI Talk. This is day 3 of our Python to AI journey. In day 1, we learn our first Python program. In day 2, we learn variable and data types. And today, we are going to cover Python basics in one shot. Don't worry, I will explain everything step by step with examples. So keep your notebook ready and let's start day 3. So first topic is comments. Comments are like small notes inside our code. Python does not run comments, it simply ignores them. We write comments so that our code becomes easy to understand. For example, if we come back after many days, comments help us remember what the code is doing. In Python, comments start with hashtag symbols. So here the first line is comment. Python will ignore this line. Only the print line will run. Now when I run this cell, you can see only welcome to day 3 in the output. So comments are only for understanding, not for output. Now let's learn input function. Till now we were giving values directly in code, but sometimes we want the user to enter something. For that we use input function. Important point is input always takes value as text, means string. Even if we enter a number, Python first treats it like text. Here I am asking the user to enter a name. Whatever name the user types will be stored inside the variable name. Then we print hello and the name. So if I type student, I'm going to execute. I'm type here student. Enter. Output will be hello student. This makes our program interactive, like Python is talking to us. Now let's talk about operators. Operators are symbols that perform operations. Simple example is plus sign adds number, minus signs subtract numbers, star sign multiplies, slash divides, modules give remainder, and double star is used for power. This is very useful in calculation. Here I created two variables, a is 10 and b is 3. Now we are applying different operators. So let's run it. So addition gives 13, subtraction gives 7, multiplication gives 30, division gives us a decimal number which is float, and power gives us 10 raised to 3, means 1000. So operator helps Python do calculation. That's it. If you guys still confused, please comment and I will explain you in another video. So now comes a very important topic, that is the type conversion. Type conversion means changing one data type into another. For example, if a number is written as text, we can convert it into integer. For integer, we use int function. For decimal, we use float function. For text, we use string function, which is str and parenthesis. So this is important because input function gives values as string. Now watch carefully. Here I am taking two numbers from the user, but input stores them as a text. So if I enter, just wait, if I enter 10 and 20, Python may show 10 and 20 instead of 30. Why? Because Python is joining two strings, not adding two numbers. This is common beginner mistake, so don't worry if it happens. Now we fix the problem. We used int before input. This converts the user input into integer. Now if I enter 10 and 20, Python will correctly give 30. So whenever you want number calculation from input, remember to convert it using int or float. So now let's learn string basics. String means text, any word, sentence or character inside quotes. For example, Python say AI the I wrote here in quotes. This is a string. String are used everywhere, like names, messages, city names, emails, and many more. Here I created a variable called channel. It stores our channel name. Now we are using some string function. Here print channel dot upper. So upper convert text into capital letters, and channel dot lower convert text into small letters, and here is len. So this is the short form of the length, and len tell us the length of the string, means how many characters are inside it. That is, so I'm just executing it. So here is the output. These small functions are very useful in real projects. Now let's learn a very interesting topic, if else. If else is used when we want Python to make decision, just like in a real life. If it is raining, take umbrella, else go normally. Python also checks condition like this. If condition is true, it runs one part. If condition is false, it runs the else part. So here age is 18. Python check if age is greater than or equal to 18. If yes, prints you are eligible. Otherwise, it prints you are not eligible. So let's see. Your condition is true, so print it, you are eligible. That's it. So also notice the space before print, this space. This is called indentation. In Python, indentation is very important. If we cannot give the spaces, we will get errors. I'm just giving an example. Look, that is why indentation is very important. Just space it, 4 tab, 1 2 3 4, and just repeat, execute. Now let's make a small mini project. This is a simple calculator. We will take two numbers from the user, then we will show addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This will revise input, type conversion and operators together. Here we used float because float allow decimal numbers also. So first user enters first number, then user enters second number. After that Python shows addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. I'm just executing. Here is the first number, so I'm writing here 20, and instant 30, just executing. So congratulations, we created a simple calculator in Python. Small project but big confidence boost. So now your practice task: create a program that asks for student name and marks, then print the student name and marks. If marks are 35 or above, print pass, otherwise print fail. This task will help you practice input type conversion, variables, and if else. Try it by yourself first. I'm giving you solution also, but try it self. So here is the solution. First we take student name, then we take marks and convert it into float. After that we print name and marks. Then Python checks if marks are greater than or equal to 35. If yes, result is pass, otherwise result is fail. I'm just running it, and here is the student name. I'm typing Ria and marks is 88. So this is how decision making works in Python. So this was day 3 of Python se AI tak. Today we covered many Python basics in one shot. We learned comments, input function, operators, type conversion, strings, if else, and also created a simple calculator. If you understood even 70% today, that is a very good start. Practice is more important than perfection. In day 4 we will learn conditions, loops and functions in details. So keep learning, keep practicing, and welcome to Python se AI tak.